Explore Cabins are located adjacent to Tenaya Lodge within a towering pine forest. Family Explore Cabins are standalone 2-bedroom units ideal for families, as the second bedroom includes bunk beds with a twin-size bed on top and a full-size bed on the bottom. The master bedroom has a king-size bed. To make bath time more enjoyable, these units have a shower tub instead of a standalone shower. All Explore Cabins are 560 square feet with a 90 square foot porch. Standard amenities include a wet bar, refrigerator, and a microwave, hiking trails, communal fire pits, Explore Clubhouse with daily continental breakfast, and complimentary transportation to the main lodge round out the experience.